in his back and stuff.
Underneath. I have to get underneath.
Shh, 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 shh.
Okay. I know. Okay, I don't know if I got the other.
Alright, right in the back. You gotta get in the back right there. Right here. Shh, 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 shh.
You're so good. You're so
You're
good.
such a good kitty.
So good. So good. So good. Oh, I know.
That's okay, baby.
There you are.
There you are. It's good. It's good for you. Shh.
You're picking up a lot of.
It's okay, Mom. You gotta make this quick. You don't want to linger on this because he's gonna squirm more and he's gonna be more uncomfortable. So just try and make it as quick as possible.
And we're trying to let this stand. It's got to stand.
It's gotta sit.
No. For about 10 minutes. So we're just.
It's gotta sit for 10 minutes.
No. Okay.
Mom, move your arm. Move your arm.
I know,
baby. I know.
Here we go.
Oh, shh.
Is that too hot for you? Okay.
That's too hot. It's too hot. Come on. Oh, shh.
No.
Kitty.
Okay. I know. Okay. I got
Okay.
you. Mom, we got you.
Mom, stop. Oh. Come on, kitty. We gotta do this.
You are so good. Such a good kitty. Yes. The father one this time. I'm sorry that I knocked you one too much. Not too much. Okay. Here we go.
Mom.
I don't know what I'm doing now. You're saying
No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying I just don't think he likes being splashed. He doesn't like being splashed at all. Oh, see, that feels good. No more fleas, kitty. No more fleas. Okay, that's enough. Oh, baby, come on. You're good. You're doing good. Ash. Oh, come on, kitty. Ouch. He's right in my back. Oh, come on, kitty. Shh. It's okay.
Your shit's getting wet.
I know, Mom. Well, I can't do anything about that right now. Shh. It's okay, kitty. It's okay, kitty. Come on, kitty. I'm so sorry, my baby.
Okay.
Careful about getting it in his face. Kitty.
Okay.
It's okay.
You're all. Okay, let's do this slowly.
Kitty. Come on, kitty. Mom, careful. Don't. It's okay, kitty.
Okay, we're not gonna splash.
No splashing.
Splash.
There we go. Isn't that nice and warm? That's nice and warm. That feels good, huh? No. It's okay.
Now we're gonna rinse it all off.
It's okay.
Rinse it all off, little one. There we go.
It's okay,
There you go. Okay, sweetie. Okay, I'm sorry, but we're gonna get some more water. Okay?
It's okay, my baby. I know you don't like that.
Let's see if we can get under.
Let's see if we can get under his belly, right here.
Okay.
It's okay, kitty.
Yes.
Is all the suds out?
I don't know. Let's see. I'm getting ready.
It's okay.
You're kind, good.
You know this is good for you. We're only doing this because we care about you, my baby.
Yes, we love you. We want you to be okay. Okay, we want you to be okay.
Up on his neck.
I don't want to get it in your ears, little one.
There you go. I think that's all good.
Let's see.
There you go.
Okay, I think your head needs to be washed. Good.
Oh, his eyes are so big. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's almost over. Look at baby.
You're so good.
Yeah, he doesn't.
So good.
He doesn't like splashing. Like everything's okay except for the splashing part.
You're doing so good. You're not meowing. You're not scratching.
You're not. Oh, excuse you. Oh, I think he sneezed.
Oh.
It's okay. Okay.
Maybe we're good soon
I
here.
think we're good.
You're doing good, kitty.
Stop, kitty. It's okay, kitty. It's okay.
It's okay, we're almost done.
Okay,
You're feeling kind of clean here. Yes, you are.
I think he's clean. Is his belly clean?
I don't know.
Yeah, his belly's clean.
Your belly's your belly's clean. Just
Oh.
one more. Here we go. Here we go. Belly. Let's get your belly.
There you go. Oh, what a good boy. Look at the good boy. Oh, my sweetie. You're so good. Okay, do you want to get the towel, Linda?
Yeah. Is it this one?
Anyone. I
Okay.
brought out a bunch.
Let's get this one.
All right, here. Spread it out. Put the camera down real quick.
All right.
And give me 2 hands. Hold on. You look like a little down kitty, which you are. Hey, what do you need?
Towel.
Here, I'll get another one.
Towel. Get another one. Put it in front of him.
He's got a bunch of stuff stuck in his
Oh,
fur.
there you go. What a good boy. You're such a good boy.
Yes! Look at you!
Oh, little wet baby.
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. You're all warm now.
Ah, yes, this is how we show you we love and care for you. We try to clean you.
Okay.
Okay, poor thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's put it over his head so he's nice and warm. Okay. There we go. I know, second most traumatic moment of your life.